everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you the Lollipopbox Club for January, the kit for the Lollipopbox Club for January, and the theme for this month is called You and Me. Going towards, I think by the looks of it, it's gearing towards Valentine's Day and Happy Meal and all that. So let's dive into the what's in this box. I want to say this is ad gifted because as part of the creative team for the Lollipopbox Club, I get sent the kit for free. So just wanted to share with you what I've received, and also I'm gonna put the link for the Lollipopbox Club shops if you want to purchase the kit, past or present. Lisa might have some bits and pieces there that you might fancy buying to use for your journaling or your crafting. Anywho, how beautiful is that postcard? So it says, Happy New Year to you, Cheryl. Wishing you a wonderful 2025, Lisa. So that is, again, going to be saved in my journal. It's going to be a flip out, I think. And as usual, this kit comes with a zine. And this zine has like things about, talks about word of the year, how suggestions or like inspiration for how to use the kit. There's also some DIY inspiration there. Journal prompts, as you know, I always save that to inspire me when I'm journaling. Some kind of like journaling spots, and a recipe that you can try. There also includes a January sketch suggestion or an inspiration. So that's the zine, and as you know, I will be kind of like cutting that apart and using it in my journal. So then, oh, hang on, don't want to tear that out. Right, here we go. So in the kit you receive a treat bag. Lisa doesn't show this in her channel, whatever the treat bag is, just so it's a surprise, but I'm going to share it with you. So we've got some like little stickers that you can put titles or journal bits in it, like writing space. Oh, I love these pink hearts. Oh, that is so cute. A butterfly wood wooden die cut, and a bird. So you also get 2 thank you cards in pink. This is so cute. And then a pink thread, and the cut apart card that you can use in your planner, in your journaling, and just kind of like embellish your page layout. And then you get these, it's like 2 it's like a circle punch, which it says especially for you, and a little a jute twine. Yeah, jute twine, hessian twine, I think, or jute twine, I'm not sure now. That's cool. And then you get a lovely charm. That is so cute. Lovely. Right, by the way, I know I've opened it up. Just FYI, this is the part, like a second take of taking a videoing or sharing with you the rest of the contents of the box. I had to stop way through, and then and I forgot to press the record in the second part. I'm so sorry. So the die cuts are here. I'm so sorry. Oh, the technology really doesn't love me. Doesn't doesn't agree with me. Okay, so we've got two cute hearts, a red and a pink. Those little quotation bubble speeches. Word forever, bubble speeches, quote thingies, and a mini index card. Oh god, you have to have a tiny handwriting to be able to write in them. Yeah, but you can put your title in it, and you know, as part of your layout. Then you get a strip of pink tickets. This is so cute. Again, you can use that to put your title, you know, title of the layout, or yeah, that's cute. And then you get page tab stickers, and then you get a blank, two blank pages of, I'm gonna say sketchbook paper. It's like a thin cardstock, but a thick paper, if that makes sense. And then this sticker sheet from Mrs. Brimbles. This is exclusively made for the Lollipopbox Club, so you know, that's just here. And then an empty white envelope, which can go into your journal layout or your planner, if that's how you use your Lollipopbox Club kit. And last but not the least is the beautiful papers. I always look forward to seeing this. So you get these washi, like a strip that you can cut and then use them as like a thick washi. So those ones you can use like in your layouts, titles, those ones. And you get some decorative paper there. Again, they're not thin, they're really good quality paper. And oh, this one is really cute. Código. Código means cheat sheet in our language, which is cute. Anyway, that is the January Lollipopbox Club kit. So let's see what we can create in my new journal. Okay, so today I joined the girls, or my Lollipopbox Club group, Facebook group, on Zoom. Lisa does a bi-monthly Zoom chats with the Lollipopbox Club members. We were all talking about Valentine's and stuff, but before the Zoom I was inspired by Let's Make Art here on YouTube. They created this lovely like Valentine hearts background paper that's nice for card, using splattered paints. So I did have a bit of a play around, and my first attempt was this. I used my inks from Little creative inks from Little Rainbow Moon, which I had for ages now, but it really didn't turn out well. It just stayed like that, and it wouldn't spread once you've applied water. But what I've done afterwards, I let it dry, and I kind of like drew the hearts with the little, I want to say the pipette end, and then applied water to make these little hearts. And then I splattered some Little Rainbow Moon gold watercolor paint just to get that little shimmery there. I think I've managed to salvage it. I like this one. And this was the other attempt. I splattered watercolor paints, again using Little Rainbow Moon watercolor paints, and I then used a gold pen, but the nib was, it was like more of like a paint pen rather than a pen. So I didn't really like the thickness of that gold, but I'm just trying to salvage it. I tried to salvage it or save it by using, you know, doodling like black writing pen, like ink pen on it. I'm still not sure. And then I kind of like stamp in it with like a light gray. It's okay, but I'm not really fussed with it. And then my final attempt was splatter, apply clean water, and make some doodle hearts, or not doodle hearts, paint some hearts from the splatter. The only thing I didn't do is there's no pink, there's not much pink. So it's more yellows and purples, a little bit of blue and green. I still like it, but probably I will use this part rather than the top part. So yeah, I want to use them to do documentation of me and Pop-Ups when she was really little, using the Lollipopbox Club kit, the January one called You and Me, in my new journal. So I'll put the music on and I will see you at the end. Okay, so this is my finished page. It's my page for Poppy, how we love her so much, and I love this other side, so I made it a 2-page spread. So yeah, I like the colorfulness, the watercolor effect. I know I've covered much of this background paper, but do you know what? It still peeks out and I love it. Yeah, it's a simple page. I didn't do much effort into it. Stuck some photo papers, some bits of the die cuts and stickers from the kit, and I'm done. That's it. It's my beautiful puppy. Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. I hope you like this. Please do give me a thumbs up.